1. Feed your pet rock. It can't eat physical objects, so provide it with food for its other senses, such as sight, touch, smell, and hearing. You can play sweet music, paint or print of a nice image, find something soft, that kind of thing. If you can't print or find anything that smells nice, try to see if your rock is interested in looking at your food. If you are comfortable with it, your rock could even smell your food. 2. Make a potpourri for your rock to smell. This is only if you can. If you're a young child, ask an adult to assist. Add some lemon or orange peels to a handful of cloves. You can also add rose petals, mint, or lavender. 3. Paint or print a pretty picture. Again, you can just let it see what you do for snacks. 4. Play some music. Classical music will do nicely. If you don't like classical music, your rock can still be comfortable with catchy pop. Despite their name, pet rocks don't normally like rock music. 5. Make a texture board by gluing pieces of different materials to a piece of cardboard. Rub your pet rock over these different textures. This is a good idea for if your rock gets a bit rough.